So the skincare tips start in the shower. I'm often tempted to have a hot shower, especially as the weather starts to get cooler, but it's actually quite bad for your skin if you use really hot water in the shower. So stick to warm water. It won't strip your skin, and if you have color treated hair like me, it also helps to maintain the color in your hair. Something that I didn't think of, but now I realize has made a big difference in the quality of my skin, is to wash and condition my hair first. Shampoo and conditioner is not formulated for your skin, and if any shampoo and conditioner is left on your skin, it might clog your pores, it could cause breakouts, acne, and that kind of thing. So it's definitely a good idea to make sure that it's all very well washed off. That's why I think it's better to do your body cleansing and facial cleansing and all of that stuff after you've rinsed out your conditioner or hair mask if you use a hair mask as well. Another thing I like to do is turn off the shower while I'm applying certain products just to help conserve water. First thing I do stepping out of the shower is to gently pat dry my skin. I want my skin to be a little bit damp because when I go in with body cream a little bit later, it'll really help with absorbing and keeping moisture in the skin. Now moving on to my facial skincare. After I've clipped my hair up and out of the way, I go straight into eye cream. And this is the Clarins Total Eye Lift. I've been using this one for like 6 months now. It is awesome. I love this one because it gives you instant results and anti-aging results over time. Now on to the next part of my routine. It's pretty simple, this one too, which is good. This is the Clarins Double Serum. So it has a dual chamber, as you can see when I move the bottle like that. It has water, hydric, and oil, lipidic, but when you pump it, both of them come out together, and as you can see the two different textures there on the palm of my hand. And also because I exfoliated before, my skin is primed and ready for maximum absorption, which is really good because this serum hits all my major concerns. It gives me visibly firmer, smoother, more radiant skin after just 7 days. So it's really nice when you see results that quickly. It tightens your pores, evens skin tone, minimizes fine lines and wrinkles, so it kind of hits every dot point that I am looking for. Something that I like to do with my facial skincare is give a few minutes between each step so that everything has time to fully sink in and get to work before I apply the next product. So I'm going to use this time to put on my body cream while the double serum gets to work. And serum, of course, helps to prepare your skin for the next step. So just having those few minutes, I feel, really makes a difference. So now I'm reaching for the Clarins Multi-Active Moisturizer. I love this moisturizer for the morning. It's the most incredible texture, and I absolutely love that it has an SPF protection in it as well, so perfect for daytime. You'll notice the Clarins application method is quite specific. It's been designed to be the most effective way to deliver the serum and the product to the skin. So you warm the product between your hands before gently pressing it onto the skin. You apply it to the face, neck, and décolleté. This way helps to avoid damaging the skin because it's a gentle pressure, but it also naturally stimulates lymphatic drainage, which depuffs and brightens the skin by applying a proper level of pressure. Also incredibly relaxing to apply your skincare this way. Try it. So that's a very simple 3-step routine in the mornings, which I'm sure you all appreciate. If you're interested in any of the Clarins products, they have other serums for every concern, and there's a direct link in the description. And of course, the double serum and the moisturizer that I use today are available on their website now, so check it out. And now moving on to a nice simple makeup routine for fall. I'm going to let my natural skin shine through, so just using a concealer in the inner corners of my eye to cover any darkness and other areas of my face that have a little bit of pigmentation, like around the nose and especially around my mouth. So those two spots there, just blending it in with my finger. You might think it looks a little bit funny to have completely bare skin everywhere else, but I will be applying blush and maybe some bronzer as well, and that will help to even out and bring a more cohesive effect to the makeup look. On to brows, and I'm skipping the pencil, just using a tinted brow gel to get a really nice fluffy full brow effect. Fluffy brows for the cooler months look really cute, plus they keep your face warm. Do they? So I'm going for a brown monochrome makeup look, applying a brown eyeshadow with a little bit of shimmer into my eyelid and softened out into the crease. Patting it on with my finger gives a more saturated effect, and to be honest, it is a little bit more difficult to blend into the socket for me this way, but I was doing my makeup in the bathroom and I didn't have all my brushes with me. That there's a nice brown eyeliner that I'm just blending out to get a little bit of a smoky effect, and it lifts up in the outer corner so that I get a bit of a, lifted, wide awake look. And I recommend using a regular eyeliner pencil or a kohl, because if you use a gel, it can be a little bit harder to blend out as it sets so quickly. So I prefer to use a regular pencil when I'm doing smoky things like this and I want more time to blend. Definitely not forgetting mascara as well, and I often don't apply it to the lower lashes, but I am going to do that this time because I love that doll effect for the autumn. I also decided to add some faux freckles. I do love freckles, and especially since it's well, where I live in Los Angeles, it's still quite warm, but it's the end of summer, it's now fall or autumn, and I just think freckles are a very cute look if you feel like accessorizing with them if you weren't born with them naturally. I do have freckles naturally, so this kind of just enhances and brings them forward. Love cream blushes because of how natural and radiant they look on the skin, and they really keep the same texture that your skin has already, and that also, I really like that step because it helps to mute down the freckles a little bit, just so that they don't look too unnatural. Then I'm using this pretty brown lip balm that's a little bit of shimmer, just so that my lips feel nice and hydrated, soft and pouty. The really nice brown tone to this lip balm shears out the natural pink color of my lips, and I think brings all of the nice fall and autumn brown tones all together really nicely. I'm really into effortless buns right now, especially for autumn where I might be wearing turtlenecks or something as it gets colder. So I'm pulling my hair up into this. It's just a very simple rough bun held together with a hair tie, but I'm going to be adding some accessories, these pretty little pearl baubles. And pearls are so elegant, so this really elevates, a basic bun and just gives it a little bit of a chic finish. And when it comes to fall outfits, that's when I generally transition my summer clothes, like this little slip dress, and layer it with a few other pieces just to get a little bit more warmth. So here I'm just putting a crisp white shirt over the top, leaving it open, and then also putting a nude blazer over the top. I really love the layering look and the fact that this blazer is so oversized, but the skirt is still quite short. So because of the thigh-high boots, not a lot of skin is showing. So I'm pretty warm and I feel really stylish, kind of like XOXO Gossip Girl. And I loved this look. I wore it to a meeting. And also I could really dress it up for nighttime as well with some like black pumps and a more evening style clutch and maybe a few more accessories and a different hairstyle. It would look really, really pretty. So yeah, I really like this look. This next look is probably something a bit more for date night, and I love this dress, so I didn't want to give it up now that summer is over. I'm going to be adding this sweater. It's a nice taupe shade, and to be honest, I do think I've shrunk it in the wash somehow, but I'm just putting a scarf over my head to protect my makeup look and to protect the makeup from getting on the sweater. So this one's cute. I like the fact that it has that V shape there. It kind of emphasizes the look of the hips, which I love, especially when I'm cinching in the waist with this really nice nude belt. So doing that and then just tucking bits out and manipulating how that looks, adding some suede heels. So these are like a good transition shoe from summer to winter because of the suede, and then a little clutch, and that's how it looks. Really like this one too, and it's really nice to get multiple ways to wear, your favorite dresses. So hope you guys enjoyed these tips.